Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to trade your duplicate Sanrio Sweet Secrets sticker with your friends in Heartopia. So during this Sanrio event, you can get the same sticker multiple times like this. Like this, you can see it. But instead of letting those duplicates sit unused, you can send them to your friends and then just trade with each other to complete your sticker collections. And to do this, just simply open this Sanrio sticker menu, this one like this, at the Sanrio event. And then next, just simply tap on send stickers, this one. And then in here, you can just choose this sticker that you want to give away. Just for example, I want to send this sticker, and then in here you can also uh, send multiple stickers on here, and then after that just simply tap on send like this, and just like that just wait for your friends to accept this sticker. And and if someone send a sticker to you, accepting it is just as easy. Just simply tap the accept button above your friend's character, this button, like this button on your friend's character, and then after that you will successfully trade your sticker to your friends. And okay, that's it. Now you can exchange duplicate sticker with your friends and help each other to complete the entire Sanrio sticker collections. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.